Hey Smartsiders, welcome back. Let's see how sharp you are today. Ready? Let's go. But first, drop a comment and tell us where you're watching from. Then smash that subscribe button and let's hop on the ride. She has a car. I have an apple. The cat is on the table. They are happy. Nice work. These books are mine. There are 2 cats. He goes to school. You're warming up. I was at home. Do you like ice cream? She is an honest girl. Smart choice. She is singing now. They aren't coming. Those shoes are new. There is a pencil. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. Spot on. The birds sing every morning. It is raining. I ate my lunch already. Sarah called me. Dad works in an office. They went to the park yesterday. Great job! Does she play tennis? I don't have any money. They were late for school. Come with us. You're halfway there. I will see you on Monday. She doesn't like coffee. The keys are in my bag. She is taller than me. You nailed it! I gave the books to them. He threw the ball to me. Yesterday I could not sleep. I like this song. He did his homework. You're flying through! He has finished his work. They have gone home. She is the best in class. You're a pro. One child, two children. One mouse, two mice. I have many friends. Much or many? There is much milk. Each student has a book. Neither answer is correct. Oh, classic trap. I have fewer toys than you. Who or whom? To whom should I speak? Whose or who is? Whose bag is this? Almost there, don't stop. Share it between the two of us. Since or for? I have lived here since 2018. You're crushing it. I have lived here for 5 years. We will visit Grandma tomorrow. You're a champion. All done for today. Drop your score below so SmartSide can brag about you. Did you enjoy today's video? If you did, subscribe for more quiz fun. Your next challenge is just around the corner. Go check it out. Bye bye for now. See you next time, friends.